In this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what you're doing for your e-learning day today. So today is Thursday, February 3rd. If you go to the agenda for today in Canvas and click in the middle on the page that goes with today, we're doing lesson 70, factoring out a GCF. So if you click on that page, here's your list of what we're doing today. So your learning target is at the top, so I can factor out the GCF in polynomials. First thing I want you to do is your class kick. So if you click here to get to your class kick, and or you can just click on the link that you already have bookmarked. We are doing part J. Once you're ready to get your answers checked, please click here, and your answer key is there for you to check your answers. So go ahead and do your class kick. Once your class kick is done, the homework that's due today is 7C multiplying polynomials practice, this one right here. It's all about foiling. So if you click on this link right here, it'll take you to the homework assignment that should be all green along the top. If yours is not all green along the top, please practice this and get this so it is all correct. That way you know how to foil. Next time I see you, you'll take a checkpoint over classifying polynomials, adding them, subtracting them, and multiplying them. So we'll need to make sure we know how to multiply polynomials for Monday when we take our checkpoint. Then from here, we're going to do lesson 7D, which is factoring out a GCF. So if you go into your OneNote and open up your OneNote, go to the Unit 7 section, go to your notes, find your 7D notes that look like this, and then go ahead and split screen your laptop so that you can watch your play pause it while following along with your notes. If you click right here, this first video is all on page 11, which is the first page of your notes. Here's the 11 down here. And then the second play pause it goes along with page 12 right here in your notes. There are questions for you to answer along the way. There's 5 questions in each of the play posits to answer, and each question is worth 2 points. So you'll have 10 points for this play posit and 10 points for that play posit. That will go in PowerSchool as your score today for your e-learning day. And then once you're done with that, you have a homework assignment where you're going to practice factoring out a GCF. So click on that homework assignment. It looks like this is just 7 questions. So you'll practice that, and homeworks are always multiple submission. And also your play posit, if you're not happy with your score, feel free to rewatch it to get a higher score. So we are doing our bell work and class kick. Make sure your homework's ready to go. You're watching 2 play posits to learn about how to factor with polynomials, and then you are doing your homework for this evening. Next week is only a 4-day week because you do not have school on Friday. So I will see you on Monday as a green day, not an 8-period day. And on that green day, we will take our checkpoint A, which is over lessons 7A through 7C. And then on Monday, we'll take checkpoint A. On Wednesday, we will take checkpoint B. If you don't get a 90, if you get lower than a 90%, then you'll take checkpoint B on Wednesday. So again, next week is only a 4-day week. So be prepared on Monday to take your checkpoint A for Unit 7 polynomials. Okay, so send me a Canvas message if you have any questions on the play posits or the homework that was due today or the homework that I have assigned today. Just let me know if you have any questions or if you need help with anything at all. Have a good day.